This is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Today I'm working on the BMW X6-E71 model N54 engine. And the problem which the customer complained after I fixed the AC is it's having rough idle. You can see it right there. You can see it going up and down right there. So if this is the problem that you're currently having, then pay attention, because I'm going to be giving you tips on how you can be able to get it solved. First of all, temporary measures, then until when you get it finally resolved. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I found out in this very other car here. This 208 model. That's a 2008 model. So the first thing which I'm going to be doing is to plug in my scan tool. So let me plug in my scan tool and see what I'm going to find regarding this. What I'm actually looking at prior to this problem is going to be a whole lot of different things. It's going to be mostly on the engine. And don't worry, even while the engine is idling on, you can still scan it. So here I can go on automatic selection. One thing that I like about BMW is that the communication is very fast, unlike some other cars that I've worked on, and it makes it much more easier for me to troubleshoot the problem without burning a lot of times. Okay, you can see it right here. So I'm gonna click on next. Don't mind, just proceed further. Reading vehicle data, please wait. So just be a little bit patient. Oh, I have a problem. My phone battery is going down, but hopefully I'm gonna find something here. I'm going to show you. Even though when it doesn't have code, I have solved on the performance issue, reduced power on this one here. So okay, issue. So now I'll go to system selection, drive. Okay, where ECM, DDME, DME, DDE. Okay, yes. Okay, so read fault code. Let me see what you got here. Okay, you can see it. This is just the only problem that I have right here. But could this be actually be what is responsible for making it to have this rough idle? Yes. Now I want to go to second phase, where most of you are not going to be looking at. This is the first problem, the injector calibrator. This is actually number 6. Calibration plausibility. It has actually brought out this thing before. Now I am happy that the underboost problem, which I previously have, is currently no more here. Now I want to go to the next phase. I want to go to the next phase. There is a place I want to go to right now. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Final. You see? This is the first thing we're discovering on this engine here. Off it. Woo! This is crazy. Okay guys, you guys can pretty much see what we're discovering here, which is a leaking injector number 2. And pretty much, if you didn't skip this video very well, you're going to be noticing that we have a 2 code right there. 1, injector plausibility, then 2, we have a code related to the IBS, intelligent battery sensor. Now we're gonna be looking in depth detail into those two areas to solving the plausibility as much as performing some other tests which we're gonna be doing on part two. But for this very moment here, if you have found this kind of code that can actually create a misfire, the injector plausibility, so get that solved, get that calibrated, and gotta catch you guys later on part two. Bye for now.